Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Compass dashboard. Before starting, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, gather your tools. You'll likely need a trim stick, various Torx screwdrivers, and a set of sockets. Ensure your workspace is clear and well-lit for easy access and visibility. Now, let's begin by removing the trim panels. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry away the dashboard trim, starting with the center bezel. This helps prevent scratches. Once the trim is off, you'll see screws and bolts that need to be removed. Pay close attention to any hidden clips or fasteners, as these can be tricky. Patience is key to avoid damaging components. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. And speaking of keeping things organized, whether you're tackling a dashboard project or just your daily meals, these leak-proof meal prep containers are fantastic for keeping your snacks and lunches fresh. Find the link and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. With the trim and screws removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical components. Unplug all connectors from your radio, HVAC controls, and any other modules. Many connectors have release tabs. Press these gently before pulling. Detach air vents and ducts, noting their orientation. Labeling each wire and connector is a smart move, making reassembly much smoother and preventing confusion. You're almost there. Now, carefully lift and pull the main dashboard panel away. It might still be held by a few clips or wires, so proceed slowly. Double-check for any overlooked connections or cables that could snag. For larger or heavier dashboard sections, having a friend help can prevent damage and make the process much easier. Take your time for a smooth removal.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.